Hello everyone! Today, itatry natin itong pad thai noodles. So, I have this two boxes. Meron siyang kasamang ganito, noodles and the sauce. So, nag-prepare tayo ng bawang, sibuyas. Meron ding shrimp, meron ding toge, at fried egg. There you go. So, ilalagan muna natin ito. Lutuin natin yung noodles. Oops. Eto na, igisa na natin ang dapat igisa. Bawang. Today, the shrimp and garlic and onion is just optional, guys, if you want it. If not, you can just cook the shrimp as it is. There you go. And then we'll set this aside for now. So now, put this back, the noodles, and then we put the pasta. Two boxes of pad thai. Manamis yung sauce. So, kung gusto niyo siya ng medyo maanghang-anghang, lagyan niyo na lang ng chili sauce. Then, we'll add the toge, the bean sprouts. Masyadong marami siya. So, kalahati lang nilagay natin. Then, we'll add the scrambled egg. Scrambled egg. Tapos yung ating shrimp. So, ang kulang dyan ay spring onion. Pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng tofu. Yan. There you go. Pad thai in the box is now ready to eat. Look at this. Look yummy. Happy eating, everyone. Pad thai. This is how you cook the pad thai in the box. That's cheap, guys. That's only like $2 something per box.